Find x. Once root 8 to the power root 24 minus root x equals to 64. This is very important radical problem. We are trying to solve this problem step by step. Let's start. First, we want to omit this root sign. So we can write 8 to the power 1 by 2 times root 24 minus root x equals to 64. How? We know nth root of a equals to a to the power 1 by n, right? That means if cubic root of n, we can write n to the power 1 by 3. Similar, here is root sign, we are omitting this one, therefore the power will be 1 by 2. Now this 8 will be unchanged and we can write this one root 24 minus root x by 2 equals to this 64, we can write 8 square. Okay. Then we know once base are same, here is 8, here is 8, that time power will be equal. So it means root 24 minus root x divide 2 equals to 2. How? We know a to the power n equals to a to the power m, means n equals to m. Now we can make cross multiplication. So root 24 minus root x equals to 4. Then what next? We want to omit this root sign, so we can make square both sides. So 24 minus root x equals to 4 square, we can write squaring both sides. Then minus root x equals to, here is 16 and this 24 we can change to right side. So here is minus 24, right? Then here is minus root x equals to minus 8. Again we can square both sides. So minus root x square equals to minus 8 square. Okay, we can write squaring both sides. Now it will become x equals to 64. Why? Minus square means plus, root x square means only x. So ultimately we get x equals to 64. This is our answer. Okay. Today we are trying to solve another math. So first one done. Second one, which is 5 by 4 to the power x minus 2 equals to 64 by 125. We will find x. So both sides, left and right, we have to make a common thing. Here is 5 by 4 to the power x minus 2 and this 64 and by 125 we can make similar thing. Why? Look, 64 we can write 4 cube and 125 we can write 5 cube. So here is 4 and 5, but in left side it's 5 by 4. So we can make this one as per negative exponent, we can write 125 by 64 minus 1. We know a to the power n, we can write what? 1 by a to the power n, a to the power minus n, sorry, minus n, right? Or we also know a to the power minus n means 1 by a to the power n. So just flip, this fraction become flipped because we are using negative power. So this is 5 by 4 to the power x minus 2 equals to 125, we can write 5 cube, 64 we can write 4 cube to the power minus 1. Now 5 by 4 to the power x minus 2 equals to this one, we know a cube divide b cube, we can write a by b whole cube. So 5 by 4 to the power 3 times minus 1. Okay, now look, both bases are same, 5 by 4, 5 by 4. So we know once bases are same, that time power will be equal. So we can write x minus 2 equals to 3 times minus 1, it means what? Minus 3, and we can write a subnote, a to the power m equals to a to the power n, it means m equals to n. Now x equals to minus 3, minus 2 become plus 2. So our answer is minus 1. This is our answer. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel SADX. This is very interesting YouTube channel. From here you will get lots of different type of math which is very important for your examination or any competitive examination. Thank you.